press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, welcome back to the English class. So today let's go through the question and answer and activities and grammar part of this lesson. That is what I want for you and every child, a letter from Obama to his daughters. So you know that how the Obama expressed his thoughts with the letter to his daughters, right? So let's go through the question answer. You have to open the page number 134, 135. 134, 135. So discuss the following questions in group and answer them. So first question, how old were Obama's daughters when he wrote this letter to them? So I already told you. Malia, 10 years. Sasha, 7 years old. Right? Okay. Next question. What fun did Obama's daughter have when he saw on the camping trails? Okay. So they had a lot of fun going to picnics and state fairs, eating all sorts of junk foods. Right? Okay. Next question. What is the journey that Obama is referring to? The journey refers to the journey to the White House. Journey to the White House. Right, children? Journey to the White House. Okay. He has written the letter 2 days before he is sworn in as the president. Okay. 2 days before he wrote this letter. So next question. What fun did his daughters have when he saw camping for the election? Going to picnics, state fairs, eating all sorts of junk food. So he come to know that his daughters, yes, have fun in the camping trails. What for Obama is the greatest joy in life? The joy of happiness of his children. The joy of happiness of his children. So seeing happiness in his children, he is very happy, dear children. Next, what did the thing he has a young man? What did he think as a young man? He thought life was all about him and about how he would make his way in the world, become successful and get the things he want. What the things he want, he get all those things and he is leading successful life, right? Next, what he realized after the birth of his daughter? His plan for himself didn't seem important. Whatever big plan he thought, it's not important. His own life wouldn't count for much. His own life also it is not count to him. Because that much he was happy on that time. Okay. Next, what does he expect his daughter to do? So he expects his daughters to do to push the boundaries of discoveries so that they would live to see new technologies and inventions which improve the lives of all and tells them to make our planet cleaner and safer. He expects them to reach beyond the divide of race, region, religion, gender and religion that keeps them from seeing the best in each other. Understanding? So, next question, what is the great adventure referred to in this letter? That is, growing up in a world with no limits on their dreams. There is no limit on their dreams and no achievements beyond their reach, and to build their world. This he refers to as the adventure. How do you feel when you read this letter? So, how do you feel, dear children, when you read this letter? You have to think about this. You have to express your thought in front of your parents or your siblings. Okay. Which lines applies to you the most in this letter? So, I think Barack Obama told that, I am very grateful to you, your patience, your humor, like that he wrote in this letter. That line, according to me, it's great, your poise, your grace. I think it is good lines to me. So, how you think you have to express in front of your parents, dear children. So, C2, discuss the following question in a small group and present your answers to the class. How did Obama's daughters change his views of the world? When Obama was young, he thought life was all about him and his way to become successful and get the things he wanted. But when two daughters came in his life concern didn't seem important, right? When Obama observed his daughters' curiosity and smiles, everything, he found that the greatest joy in his life was the joy and happiness of his daughters, right? Okay. What does Obama want for all the children? So, all the children want to inspire their life, they challenge their life, they get a good education, they have to go to schools and colleges. Even their parents are not rich, they have to go to colleges, they get the education, they have to go the new boundaries of technologies. So, and they should instill in them a sense of wonder about the world around them. All the children should get the chance to go to college in spite of their poverty. He wants to get the good jobs with their retired dignity. So, the jobs have to give health care, get time to spend their children to retire and their dignity. They should lead their nation to glory. So, these Barack Obama want to every child of this nation. Okay. Why did Obama write this letter to his daughter? Why he write this letter, dear children? Barack Obama write this emotional letter to his daughter to guide them and to also express his love and affection. Understanding? To guide them, to express his love and affection towards them. They have cooperated with him with their patience, poise, grace and humor. He wants his daughter to perform their duties and to come up in life. They should grow into a compassionate, committed woman and build a strong world. Understanding? To express his love, concern and to tell them to build a strong nation. He write them a letter. Okay. So now, dear children, question answers are completed. So, look at the page number 135. Given below is a jumbled letter. Rearrange the different parts of the letter and make it meaningful. So, letter is given here. This is jumbled letter. So, we have to arrange a meaningful letter. Okay. See, your loving nice 20 January 2017. I write this letter to thank you for your timely help during my mother's illness. Dad was out of town and I was alone at home. I was so worried, but you came towards to help me. We had to go to the hospital every day. You helped me a lot in nursing my mother. Thanks once again, my dear uncle Salma, Mysore. Like this, a jumble letter is given here. First, what you have to write, dear children? First, you have to write Mysore. Okay. Next, you have to write date 20 January 2017. Okay. Next you have to write body of the letter. That is here already given. That is, I write this letter to thank you for your timely help during my mother's illness. Dad was out of town and I was alone at home. I was so worried about you and came forward to help me. We had to go to hospital every day. You helped me a lot in nursing my mother. Thank you once again. So, okay, last you have to write your loving nice Salma. Like that you have to complete this letter, dear children. Okay. Next, Pappu wanted to write a letter to his grandfather, but he was not sure about choice of words. Use the words in bracket and help Pappu complete the letter. So, we have to help you. So, letter is given here like this, dear children. So, words are given here in the box. Don't worry, long life, happy birthday, studies, good health, monitor, grandma, take care, proud. So, to taking this word, we have to fill here letter, we have to help here to Pappu. Okay. Mysore, 14th November 2016, dear grandpa. Many happy returns of the day. I feel so dashed to have a grandfather like you. I am happy you are blessed with dash and dash. Okay. First lines. Many happy returns of the day. I feel so proud. First word is proud. I feel so proud to have a grandfather like you. I am happy you are blessed with good health. Good health and long life. And long life. This is the second dash. Next page. Open the page number 136, dear children. I am in 6th standard now. I am doing well in my studies. In my studies. Okay. I take part in different activities in my school. You know, I am selected as the monitor. Monitor of the class. Grandpa, your Pappu will make you feel proud and happy always. All is well at home. How's grandma? How's grandma? Don't worry. Don't worry. I will come there during Deepavali holidays. Let's enjoy then. A very happy birthday. Next, last lines. A very happy birthday. Once again, grandpa, take care. Take care. Yours, Pappu. This letter is completed, dear children. We helped Pappu. Okay. So next W3, write a letter to your friend or cousin about a story or drama, a TV program or a film or something that you like. Read the letter given below. So Davanagere, 6 February 2017, my dear Bashir. I am very happy to write you after a long time. How are you? I am sure you are enjoying your school life. You know, I read a story called Greedy Cordimal in our class. It was very funny. Cordimal, the hero of the story, is a miser. Do you want to read the story? I can give you my book when you came here. When you come here, what's news at your end? Have you got new friends? Do you remember Ashwin? We always play together and he is still my best friend. Anyway, love to all. Hope you are doing well. Have a nice time with your family. Please convey my love to all. Keep in touch. Loving yours, Sameer. So, this is taking a story. Sameer wrote this letter to Bashir. Okay. So, next you have to write this letter, dear children. You have to write the letter to taking a drama or TV program or a film or something that you like. Okay. So, you have to write the letter. This is your duty, you have to write this. Before you write, you need to plan the following points with help you plan your writing. So, 6 points are there, dear children, in the page number 137. In the page number 137, 6 points are there. These points is help you to write the letter. Okay. So, the following points will help you plan your writing. Okay. So, next page 138, page number 138. So, you will find the following contract forms in the letter written by Obama to his daughters. Read the full forms given below. So, here you have, how we have to write this, children? You have, shouldn't, should not, okay, hasn't, has not, we have, it, I would, like that we have to read. This you read in the lesson, a letter from Obama to his daughter, right? Find out a new forms contractor forms letter and write their full forms. So here other words, other full forms. Let's read, go through. That is, aren't, are not, you will, okay. Doesn't, does not, didn't, did not, okay. So, still words are there, you have to go through the dictionary, you have to find those letters, you have to write the full form. Okay. So next, find out a few more here. S2, practice reading the following dialogues aloud. So here Anil Sneha's story is given to you, dear children. Anil and Sneha's story. You have to read this. Anil, would you like to have some ice cream? I have got a varieties of flavors for you to choose from. I have got a strawberry, chocolate and vanilla. Sneha, wow, what a choice you have. I wish I would, but I just can't. I'm on a date. Anil, come on, it's just a bit. It doesn't really hurt to have just a bit. Sneha, I'd better not. Please don't tempt me. Anil, fine, then I will give you a piece of cake. Have smiler conversation with your friends. So, practice reading the following dialogues, so dear children, aloud. You have to practice this. You have to converse. You have to do a conversation daily with your friends, or your siblings, or your parents. Okay. Then you have to develop your language. Then, so page number 139. In page number 139, so further reading also given here, Kannada version. You have to read this. You have to understand this also. So lesson, grammar part, a question and answer, all completed, dear children. I hope you understood better all these things. You have to go through the dictionary. If difficult words is there, means you have to underline those difficult words. You have to write those difficult words meaning. Okay. So next class I will take a new topic. I will come with you. Until that, take care. Have a nice time. Thank you.